Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with double slides, outside speakers, stabilizer jacks, triple step entry, flip down travel rack, outside shower, LED exterior lighting, automatic levelers, linen cabinet, residential refrigerator, TV hookup in bedroom, over-the-range microwave, oven, 2 ACs, big corner shower, dual lights over headboard, dual bedroom nightstands, pot and pan drawer, decorative kitchen backsplash, bathroom cabinet with mirror, pleated shades, tire pressure monitors, shower skylight, overhead kitchen storage, large counter area, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, stainless sink, vanity with sink, high-rise faucet. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.